Lecture I'll be teaching you about the charges. Now in this lecture I'll teach you about the 10 key points of the charges that can help you to understand what the charge actually is. First of all, about the charge, one thing should be clear in our mind, that the charge is basically a positive or negative symbol on any body. When any body got positive or negativity in his properties, so we said that it's become charged. First of all, 1 coulomb. Now here the coulomb is the property, or we can say that the coulomb is used to measure charge. So 1 coulomb is equal to 6.2510 raised to power 18. Now here it should be clear that when we are talking about 1 coulomb charge, we will say that it has 6.2510 raised to power 18 chargeability. Second thing, the value of the charge was discovered by French Benjamin. Third, it's an scalar quantity because charge does not have any direction. Then Millikan in 1990, we can say that 1909, found quantization of charge, or we can say that ionization and its property. After that, as I said in the first point, that charge is measured in coulomb. Now, charge does not have its own unit. It has derived unit coulomb, and that unit was derived from other examples, or we can say that other formulas. Never ever charge can be less than 1. Like it can be like 1.00, 1.01, 1.998, but it can never be less than 1, or we can say that simply it can never less be than the negative charge. After that, same charges repulse each other, different charges attract each other, and it's an intrinsic property. Now for the whole lecture about the intrinsic and extrinsic, you can watch my video down, but let me give a short we can say that intro, that intrinsic properties are those properties which cannot be described more. So that's all about today's lecture. I hope that these 10 points can help you to understand what the charge is.